Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a journey of creativity and transformation? Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of upcycling, where ordinary objects find extraordinary new life. And what better candidate for our artistic endeavors than the humble bath mat? Yes, you read that right. That seemingly mundane fixture in your bathroom holds a world of potential, just waiting to be unleashed. We're going to transform those tired, worn-out bath mats into stylish and functional home decor pieces that will leave your guests in awe. And the best part, it's budget-friendly and incredibly fun. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and discover the magic of upcycling. Let's create something beautiful together. So grab your old bath mat, and let's get started on this exciting transformation journey. Before we embark on our upcycling adventure, let's gather our trusty tools and materials. Don't worry, you won't need anything too fancy. Most of these items are probably already lurking in your craft drawers. Here's a handy checklist to get you started. Your old bath mat, the star of our show. Scissors for precise cutting and shaping. Fabric glue to securely bond different materials. Needle and thread, or a sewing machine for more durable stitching. Measuring tape for accurate measurements. Fabric paint, optional, to add a pop of color or personalize your creations. Embellishments, optional beads, buttons, ribbons. Let your creativity run wild. Remember, this is just a basic list. Feel free to improvise and add your own personal touch to the mix. Organize your supplies for easy access during the project. Not all bath mats are created equal, especially when it comes to upcycling potential. But fear not, I'm here to guide you through the selection process. When choosing a bath mat for your DIY project, consider these factors. Material: cotton or bamboo mats are ideal for their durability and versatility. Avoid rubber or plastic mats, as they can be tricky to work with. Size: the size of your bath mat will determine the scale of your project. A larger mat is perfect for rugs or wall hangings, while a smaller one is better suited for pillow covers or table runners. Texture: look for mats with interesting textures or patterns that can add dimension to your creations. A nubby or woven mat can create a rustic charm, while a plush, fluffy mat is perfect for cozy accents. Condition: while it's great to give new life to old things, make sure your chosen bath mat is relatively clean and free from major damage. With these tips, you'll find the perfect bath mat for your next upcycling project. Ready to transform your old bath mat into a stunning piece of wall art? Let's embrace the free-spirited vibes of boho chic and create a statement piece that will elevate your home decor game. Step 1. Lay your bath mat flat and smooth out any wrinkles. Step 2. Measure and mark the desired dimensions for your wall hanging. You can keep it rectangular or get creative with different shapes. Step 3. Carefully cut along the marked lines using sharp scissors. Step 4. To add a touch of bohemian flair, consider attaching tassels, fringe, or macrame accents to the edges of your wall hanging. You can use fabric glue or sew them on for extra durability. Step 5. To hang your masterpiece, simply attach a sturdy loop or ribbon to the back, and voila! Your bathroom floor refugee is now a bohemian-inspired work of art. This unique piece will surely be a conversation starter and a beautiful addition to any room. Step onto style. Crafting a trendy bath mat rug. Who needs expensive rugs when you can create your own stylish floor coverings from upcycled bath mats? This project is surprisingly simple and adds a touch of personality to any room. Step 1. Choose a bath mat with a durable and visually appealing texture. Step 2. If your bath mat is on the smaller side, consider stitching two together to create a larger rug. Step 3. To prevent fraying and add a finished look, bind the edges of your rug with fabric glue or bias tape. Step 4. Get creative with embellishments. You can add tassels, fringe, or even paint on geometric patterns to match your decor style. Step 5. Place your newly crafted rug in your entryway, beside your bed, or anywhere that needs a touch of cozy style. Enjoy your new, stylish, and personalized bath mat rug. Cozy comfort. Transforming your mat into throw pillows. Give your sofa a quick and affordable refresh by turning your old bath mat into comfy throw pillows. The soft texture of the mat makes it perfect for cuddling up with. Step 1. Cut 2 identical squares or rectangles from your bath mat, making sure they're slightly larger than your desired pillow size. Step 2. Place the 2 pieces with their right sides facing each other. Step 3. Sew along 3 sides of the squares, leaving one side open for stuffing. Step 4. Turn the pillowcase right side out and stuff it with your favorite pillow filling. Step 5. Hand stitch the remaining open side closed. Now you have a one-of-a-kind pillow that's both stylish and eco-friendly. Enjoy your new cozy and unique throw pillows. Tabletop transformation: the bath mat table runner. Add a touch of rustic charm or bohemian flair to your dining table with a unique table runner crafted from your old bath mat. Step 1. Measure the length and width you desire for your table runner. Step 2. Cut the bath mat to your desired dimensions, ensuring clean, straight edges. Step 3. To prevent fraying and add a finished look, consider hemming the edges of your table runner. Step 4. Get creative with embellishments. You can add fabric paint, stencils, or even stitch on decorative elements like beads or ribbons. Step 5. Lay your new table runner across your dining table for a touch of personalized style. Enjoy your new stylish table runner that adds a unique and personal touch to your dining space. Pampered paws: crafting a pet bed with flair. Our furry friends deserve a cozy and stylish place to rest their weary heads. And what better way to pamper them than with a personalized pet bed made from your old bath mat? Step 1. Choose a bath mat that's soft, comfortable, and machine washable. Step 2. Fold the bath mat in half or roll it into a desired shape for the pet bed. Step 3. Secure the shape by stitching or tying it together with fabric scraps. Step 4. For added comfort, you can insert a pillow or cushion inside the pet bed. Step 5. Place the finished pet bed in your furry friend's favorite spot and watch them snuggle in. Your pet will love their new cozy spot, and you'll love how easy it was to make. Add your personal touch customization tips. The beauty of DIY projects lies in the ability to customize them to your heart's content. Don't be afraid to let your creativity run wild and add your own personal flair to your upcycled bath mat creations. For a bohemian vibe, embrace tassels, fringe, macrame, and natural textures. Earthy tones and bold patterns also complement this style. For a modern farmhouse aesthetic, stick to neutral colors, stripes, and simple patterns. Consider adding wooden accents or distressing techniques for a rustic touch. For a minimalist look, keep it clean and simple with solid colors and minimal embellishments. Focus on functionality and subtle details. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and mix and match different styles to create something truly unique. Your creativity is the only limit. Share your creations and keep the inspiration flowing. Congratulations on embarking on this upcycling adventure. You've transformed your old bath mat into stunning home decor pieces while reducing waste and unleashing your inner artist. Remember, creativity is contagious, so don't be shy about sharing your creations with the world. Post pictures of your upcycled masterpieces on social media, inspire your friends and family, and let's keep the DIY spirit alive. Happy crafting! Share your process, tips, and tricks online to help others start their own upcycling journey.